An overview of percentages is this. You may be asked to find a percentage of something or to change something to a percentage. If you're asked to find a percentage of something, you might be asked to do it with a calculator or without a calculator. And the same for changing something to a percentage. You might have to do it with a calculator or without a calculator. Just press pause and have a look over the types of questions that you might get. The first type of question you might get is finding a percentage of something with a calculator. The question I'm going to do for you is 23% of £62.50. Remember, you will have a calculator for this. The percentage floats underneath the 23, so we have 23 over 100, and that 100 is the percentage sign. Of means times, and it's £62.50. Type this into your calculator, 23 divided by 100 times £62.50, and we have £14.38 as our answer. For this question, we're asked to find 35% of 80, and it's without a calculator. 10% is £8. 30% will be 3 lots of 8, so that's 24. And 5% will be half of 8, so that's 4. That makes 35%, 30% plus 5%, £28. In this question, 17 out of 83 times 100 to change it to a percentage. Type this into your calculator and you will get 20.5%. For this question without a calculator, we're doing 7 out of 20. We need to get it out of 100. So that's times by 5. We times the top by 5 as well, and we get 35. So our answer is 35%. I'm now going to give you 3 typical exam questions to do. After each one, the answer will appear. So, press pause, have a go at it, then press play to see the answer. This was non-calculator. So, without a calculator, 10% is £6, 5% is £3, and 2.5% is £1.50. If we add those up, we get 17.5%, which is £10.50. We're asked for the total cost, so we need to add this on to the original cost. £60 plus £10.50 is £70.50. Here's your next question. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready to see the answer, press play again. We're using a calculator to do this question. The VAT is at 17.5%, so we type into our calculator 17.5 divided by 100. We're going to multiply this by the cost of a book, which is £8.60. So when we type this in, it gives us £1.51 to the nearest penny. This is the VAT per book. To find the total cost of a book, get the original cost, £8.60, and add on the VAT, £1.51. This gives us the cost of a book, which is £10.11. We're selling 1,750 books, so we've got 1,750 times our £10.11. If we type this in, we get the total, £17,692.50. This should be your answer. Here's your third question. Press pause and have a go, and when you're ready for the answer, press play. This is calculator. So, 4,460 out of 12,000 times by 100 to change it to a percentage gives us 37.2%.